Did you know your goldfish might actually remember things for months, not seconds? For decades, we've joked about goldfish having a 3-second memory, but science says that's completely wrong. Researchers have proven goldfish can remember things for up to 5 months. They recognize faces, learn tricks, and even navigate mazes. One study trained goldfish to push a lever for food. They remembered how to do it weeks later. Another experiment showed goldfish can tell classical music from blues. They even preferred one over the other. So where did the 3-second myth come from? It likely started as an exaggeration about their short attention spans. Goldfish do get bored in tiny, empty tanks. But in stimulating environments, they thrive. They explore, play, and show clear signs of memory. Some goldfish owners report their pets recognizing them. The fish swim to the front of the tank when their favorite person approaches. Others learn to ring bells for food or follow finger trails. These aren't flukes, they're proof of real cognitive ability. Goldfish also have better vision than you'd think. They see colors humans can't, including ultraviolet light. Their eyes adapt quickly to changing light conditions. That's why they're so good at spotting food or predators. Next time someone says goldfish forget instantly, you'll know the truth. These little swimmers are smarter than pop culture claims. Give them space, toys, and mental challenges. They'll surprise you with what they remember, like subscribe and stay curious.